Hey folks, Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property, and today we are previewing the Summerwood model by Pulte Homes. The Summerwood can be found at many of Pulte's Southwest Florida communities. This one here starts as a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, and you can modify it to increase the bedroom count, and it's going to come in just under 1,900 square foot. Let's walk inside the Summerwood here and take a look at this awesome floor plan by Pulte Homes. Now, when we come into the floor plan here, directly to our right is going to be the first guest bedroom along with the guest bath. So there you see the guest bath there. And just off of that, you've got the guest bedroom up front here with these bay windows allowing for tons of natural light. Really nice bedroom here. You've got the bypass closet doors there. Coming back out into your foyer area to the left here, you're going to have your indoor laundry, really nice sized laundry room here with your utility sink. And then off to the left here, this is going to be an additional bedroom option. So your garage can have a golf cart storage. This was taken out of the garage and made into a bedroom. So now this home is a 3-bedroom home. With Pulte, you do have some structural options of things that you could add and subtract to a home. Now coming back out to the right, that's your garage here. And then you've got a dedicated den. This is a den option. It's normally a flex space without doors, but we've added the doors here, and now you've got a nice cozy den here. And then this opens up really nicely into the great room area, featuring your kitchen over here on the left, which overlooks your dining space. And this nice great room area here for entertaining. You've got your 90-degree style slider doors there, which opens up really nice, bringing the outdoor living in. But let's first take a look at the master suite here before heading outside. Really nice size master suite here. That's a king size bed, just for perspective. And then you've got the master bath here, showing with the standalone shower. You've got the dual sinks, and then you've got the water closet and a really nice size walk-in style closet back here for your clothes, as well as a linen closet. Now, last but not least, on the Summerwood here is the outdoor living space, shown with a covered lanai extension here. So really nice outdoor living space here, and this is all featured around the pool area. All right, guys, so this is the Summerwood by Pulte. If you're interested in this floor plan, you can reach us at any of the contact information below. Guys, this is Roberto Lee with Pinnacle Property Group, and we appreciate you watching.